Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I'm just taking a quick look at an Outdoors RV mountain series, and it's in here in the shop getting a wheel bearing pack done. This is a model number 25 RDS Trail Ridge. So if you've never been in here before, come take a look, check us out. If you didn't already know, we do Outdoors RV warranty, and as well we have an Outdoors RV Facebook group called Outdoors RV Maintenance and Repairs in the RV Shop with Dustin. And so a lot of times what you'll see is, updates and status. Like this one's back in here for a wheel bearing pack, and actually during the service, the guys found an issue with this front brake, and we had replaced these brakes about 6 months ago. So we went ahead and got that squared away. Something didn't adjust right or got stuck and caused that particular brake pad to wear out a lot more than the other. So we went ahead and got that goodwilled for him and got that squared away. Terry's in the process over here getting all the brakes repacked, and I'll come take a quick peek. So this is what we refer to as our peanut butter grease, and he's got the grease all on the bearings, and it looks like these are the outer bearings that he's getting ready to clean up. And then we actually go through and we hand wash with a solvent tank to get all the grease out of them, check all the bearings for any play damage, any scars, scarring, and that fun stuff. And then if you haven't seen this before, this is a special kind of grease called Thermoplex, and it actually has a heating pad with a dial on it to warm it up in order so that you can pump it. And then the actual pump itself is different than your standard ones because it's not, these ones are stronger to pump that thicker grease out. So that grease is compatible with almost any brand of grease that's out there. They say, my reps that sell it to us say basically, hey, if you have a bearing go bad with that grease, it's really odd because that stuff's almost like indestructible. Hey, what's going on, Terry?
Peanut butter?
Yeah, I was just talking about the peanut butter, saying that you're doing a wheel bearing pack on this Outdoors RV.
Goes good on sandwiches too.
Yeah, tastes really good. Yeah. And that was that bad brake shoe?
Yeah.
I took a video of that too, zoomed in on it, showed that we replaced that under Goodwill warranty for them. So cool. Well, stay tuned for more. This is Terry. If you haven't already met him, he's been in a bunch of our videos, been here for forever. He does all the paint and body, so he's very meticulous. He's does all the interior stuff. Pretty much there's nothing really he can't do or doesn't do unless I catch him in a bad day. Yep. So anyways, stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, Terry RV Specialist. Make sure you check us out online. You can also check out our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is actually Your RV Specialist. And so we post all these kind of crazy videos and pictures and things that we're working on and doing. And so you wanted to show me?
Well, I was going to show you on this particular one. See how thin that is?
Oh, how thin the material is, yeah. So, all right. Well, something on there it looks like they've been using it though, because it's pretty dirty. And that one, this was before, because he's already washed all these off and cleaned them up.
Driving the hell out of it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, that's good that they've been using it. So, all right. Well, stay tuned for more. It's Dustin Terry, RV Specialist at California RV Specialist.